Prestige Ferro Vest VHT is a two-part, high-temperature investment powder system developed for casting jewelry designs in platinum, palladium, and stainless steel. Engineered for mixing with a special phosphoric binder concentrate that is diluted with water. Ferro Vest utilizes proprietary control additives that work to eliminate casting defects and produce the smoothest, sharpest, detailed, bubble-free castings that require far less finishing than with any of the process-sensitive, plain water mix phosphate investments being used today. Certus would like to thank Carrera Casting Corporation in New York City for the use of their facility during the making of this video. When setting up the flask, in place of a rubber sprue base, use a non-asbestos cellulose paper base with a 19mm hole cut out in the center to allow for wax drainage. The absorbent paper base allows for the excess binder solution used for mixing to be wicked away before starting burnout. To prepare the binder for mixing, Ferro Vest VHT binder concentrate is diluted at a ratio of 1 part binder per 19 parts distilled water. The binder concentrate may either be diluted all at once and stored in a large plastic sealed container or diluted separately for individual use. For assistance, a Ferro Vest VHT binder powder calculator is available on our website. Just type in the amount of powder in grams or pounds to be mixed and the correct amount of binder concentrate and water needed is displayed. When diluting the binder concentrate with water, always add the binder concentrate to the water. Ferro Vest VHT liquid binder concentrate is phosphoric, therefore always wear eye protection and gloves when handling. Weigh the appropriate amount of Ferro Vest powder and measure the correct amount of diluted binder concentrate. Add the measured binder liquid to the mixing bowl. For mixing, use the diluted binder liquid at a ratio of 28 to 30 parts binder liquid per 100 parts of Ferro Vest powder. For most designs, a mixing ratio of 29 parts diluted binder liquid per 100 parts powder is commonly used. On a slow mixing speed, add the powder in small portions at a time, each time allowing the slurry to thin down before adding more powder. Continue this procedure until all the powder has been added. If using a St. Louis mixer, this process is opposite. Add the liquid to the powder. The initial thickness of the slurry can stress a mixer with a weak low-torque motor. For this reason, use a commercial, high-torque, planetary-type mixer such as a Hobart or other similar commercial mixer. Once all the powder has been added, increase speed to a medium setting. Depending on the size of the mix, continue for an additional 10 minutes, increasing to 15 minutes for larger mix sizes. After the mixing cycle has been completed, place the mixing bowl under full vacuum until the slurry rises in the bowl, breaks from the vacuum, and begins to boil vigorously. Continue to vacuum slurry for 1.5 minutes. Pour the investment down along the inside of the flask, allowing the investment to flow up around and over the top of the patterns. As the excess binder liquid is wicked away during the curing process, the investment will sink down in the flask approximately 1 centimeter. For this reason, make sure to cover the top of the patterns with a minimum of 3 centimeters of investment to avoid metal breakthrough during casting. Once processed, Ferro Vest VHT will gel and thicken, but will not set hard in the flask. It will only become hard when subjected to heat in the burnout oven. Place the invested flasks on a 5 cm stack of newspaper to absorb and wick away the excess binder liquid. In a large pan, set invested flasks onto a bed of unused Ferro Vest powder approximately 5 centimeters in height. The Ferro Vest powder used for curing may be dried and used repeatedly before needing to be replaced. A heat lamp positioned approximately 25 centimeters over the top of the flasks will help to accelerate the time needed to cure the investment and may be used with any of the techniques listed. The time to properly cure the investment can take anywhere between 3 to 6 hours or longer depending on flask size. Once Ferro Vest VHT has been properly cured, carefully transfer flasks to a room or pilot temperature burnout oven. Raise to 93 degrees Celsius over 15 minutes. Hold at 93 degrees for 20 minutes. Raise to 180 degrees Celsius over 1 hour. Hold at 180 degrees for 3 hours. Raise to 900 degrees Celsius over 3.5 hours. Hold at 900 degrees for 4 hours. Reduce oven to desired temperature for casting. Hold temperature for 1 to 2 hours before casting to stabilize temperature. You are now ready to cast. Using the Ferro Vest VHT 2-part high-temperature investment system provides the smoothest, highest quality castings possible, not only in platinum, but also palladium and stainless steel. When used as directed, Ferro Vest VHT eliminates costly casting defects and saves the user significant time and money in finishing. For technical assistance regarding the Ferro Vest VHT, please contact us at our website.